Yup. Our new van. And big and white and clean for now.
Is it locked?
I don't know. Nope. No, just can't be a wimpy.
On the bottom side more.
Oh.
So that's actual.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh boy. Empty. Oh, the possibilities.
Especially with 2 doors?
Yeah. Breezeway.
Oh, yeah. I can feel the breeze right now.
Yep, I could too as soon as you open up that door.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Are you excited?
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a lot of work building it up.
Yep. Yay.
You can really open it.
All the way around. Oh. It's a beauty.
Yep. So this is our project.
Oh boy. Big one. Big project.
Well worth it though.
Yes. Bugs are horrible out here. I like the 2 doors though. That's gonna be nice.
Hi.